Good morning, good afternoon. This is Gabriel Jackson, and welcome to BJC Mitzvah Day number 58, part 6, using the Sefer HaChinuch. A mitzvah day keeps your soul on its way. The obligation upon Beis Din, the court, to judge cases of civil litigation, once again dedicated in honor of our holy idea of soldiers. May Hashem protect them so they can continue to protect Klal Yisrael. Okay, folks, once again, we're just doing the mitzvah, trying to get the gist of every mitzvah of the 613. But really, it's not easy to really walk away and say, I know this. But we want to just hear it, learn it, get the basic gist. But if you really want to know it well, you got to spend the time. You got to learn. Come to our 10 o'clock Sunday class where we go in depth, take an hour to learn each mitzvah. And sometimes we don't even finish. So, but here, this happens to be a very long mitzvah. And the gist of this mitzvah is that when you have a claim against somebody else, there's a mitzvah that a court judges who's right and who's wrong, who owes what, who owes who money, etc. That's really the gist, but all the details are going to be found in the halachas. But he does bring up, in the chinuch, brings up all the different case scenarios. Okay, so here we go, continuing where we left off yesterday. So if you don't really understand everything, that's understandable. Neither do I. All the time, we have to learn. You got to take time. We got to learn it and understand it. And then learn the halachas, and learn what the Gemara has to say about it. And this could take years for each mitzvah. The chinuch now mentions the legality of a power of attorney. Also included in this mitzvah is the law of one who is authorized to enter a claim on behalf of a litigant by virtue of a written power of attorney, both in respect to his dealings with the party he has been authorized to deal with, i.e. the opposing litigant, and in respect to the individual who authorized him, i.e. the litigant he is representing. And the proper wording of an authorization, power of attorney, which is, quote, sue in court, win the case, and procure proceeds for yourself. The chinuch presents laws pertaining to various claims. Also included are the law, all included in this mitzvah, are the law that one who claims I did not borrow is akin to one who states I did not pay. The laws of one who is presumed a liar with respect to the litigation at hand, and the law regarding one who lost a case and has been instructed by court, by Beis Din, go give the plaintiff the funds owed to him, and he subsequently claims, I paid him. Or a case in which the court simply tells the defendant, you are obligated to give the plaintiff what he is claiming, and he subsequently claims that he paid. This mitzvah also includes the law concerning a creditor who says to the debtor, do not repay me except in the presence of witnesses, or repay me only in the presence of so-and-so and so-and-so. And what the law will be in these cases should the designated witnesses travel to a distant land. The chinuch continues. The mitzvah also includes the law regarding a borrower who documents that he trusts the lender as two witnesses, with respect to whether witnesses who testify to repayment of the loan will be effective for the borrower, and the law regarding the specific situations in which one can credibly claim concerning his admission, I was joking with you, and when he cannot credibly make such a claim. It further includes the law of one who seeks to exact payment from his fellow. The laws are governing which movable items have chazaka as proof of ownership, meaning like we assume they belong in whosever possession they were, so that we consider one who claims them as exacting property presumed to belong to another, the laws of chazakos with respect to real property, the laws that govern collections, i.e. under what circumstances we seize one's property, the laws of guarantors, the laws that govern protests against the establishment of a chazaka with respect to real property, the law regarding certain individuals on whose properties we cannot establish a chazaka, and who cannot establish a chazaka on property belonging to another, as well as the laws that govern the rights of adjacent property holders. Okay, very long. I believe we'll be able to finish tomorrow. But once again, you see how this one mitzvah entails all these different laws. So it's a lot in this one mitzvah. Thanks for listening. Sponsor Feature Mitzvah. We'll be part of our Chai Club. Click the link below. See you tomorrow.